Good morning, guys. Welcome to week 13. I hope you had a good week back from spring break and have been able to use some of the psychosocial strategies and interventions that we have been learning about with some new patients as we are moving in towards spring sports. This week is really going to be a review in terms of what psychosocial strategies to use when. There's three main focuses for this week in chapter 10. The first is when to use and why to use these psychosocial strategies in rehab, as a motivational tool, and upon return to play. So this week is really going to be bringing it all together. So how do we observe, how do we measure, and how do we intervene in terms of psychosocial strategies? So a couple things to consider for this week. Your assignment is an athletic training room observation. So you'll have a series of questions to talk about with your classmates in terms of observable behavior in the athletic training room. So really what I want you to do is just take a little bit of time at your clinical site and observe the behaviors, the stressors that your patients are under, and then what psychosocial strategies or an effective response that an athletic trainer can use to decrease those stressors and those behaviors. So that's your first assignment. The second, you'll see a link to a podcast website. This is a really good website I've used in the past for some patients. There is essentially a script and a video or a podcast that you can use for a patient that's suffering from things like migraines, anxiety. There's even some podcasts for cancer patients. So if you ever have a patient with some of these pathologies and you're looking to do a psychosocial intervention and you don't want to write a script or record a podcast yourself, this is a great resource to use. Looking forward to reading your updates on your mental health assignment. I'll be grading that later this afternoon, and please reach out if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.